You use internet every day. You chat with friends via internet. You watch videos on YouTube. You play video games and other stuff. But did you know you can earn free PayPal money using the internet? You're just surprised, right? In today's modern world, you can earn money from home with your mobile phone or computer. If you don't know how to make money from home through the internet, then you can watch today's video step by step. Because in this video, I will show you how to make money using your phone, laptop, or computer. And if you watch until the end, I will show you a bonus website so that you can earn even more money. Now let's get started. So here's the website that will pay you. The name of this website is called PrizeRebel.com. Let's get acquainted with this website. Here you can see how this website works. Then you have to earn points by doing small tasks. After that, you can get real cash by redeeming those points. This website has been running since 2007, and they have over 12 million registered users globally. They have paid over 20 million in rewards to their loyal members. You can check this site from big review sites like Trustpilot, Survey Police Site, and Insider. Many big companies like eBay, iTunes, Visa, and Amazon also trust this website. If you want to work on this website, you have to sign up first. You can do this through Facebook, but if you don't want to do that, then you have to enter your first name and last name, enter your email address, type a strong password, and click on this red button right here. After that, you will get an email confirming the email is correct. So make sure that you use a valid email address. Now I'm going to show you the dashboard. It takes you to once you're signed into your account. This is the dashboard you're going to see. Now as you can see, there are a lot of ways going on here. But my goal is to make sure that you don't waste your time doing something that you're not making the most money. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So what I want you to do is if you focus on this Earn button right here, I want you to click on Earn, and the drop-down will come up. Now click on Offer Walls. As soon as you go to Offer Walls, it's going to open up this page. And remember, I will reveal how you can make money without doing anything on the same website. Something that a lot of people don't know about. Now click on this button called Offer Tarot. When you click on that, you will land on this page. You can see so many tasks to do in this category. You need to install those apps. You can see how many points you will earn by installing those apps. You can filter it by mobile apps, desktop applications, and surveys. You can find some popular apps and games. The very next thing you need to do is going to win. You're going to click on the win and click on the raffle. This is an incredible way to win free stuff. You can win gift cards from here. Here you can see a lot of raffles going on, and you can see how long these raffles will be active. And if you scroll down, you can see the upcoming raffles and when they will come. Some of the raffles are over here in the recently ended raffle section. However, to participate in raffles, you need to click the Enter button and follow their instructions. After participating in all raffles, you need to click on the contest button right here. This is where the fun starts. You can win these contests. First of all, there's not a lot of competition in these contests. Second, it takes most of these people 40 to 50 minutes a day to rank, and it's very easy to earn all of these points like those people here now. If you live in the United States, there are USA-only surveys where you can win some really fun money. But if you are not from the US, then you do not need to worry. Below is another option which is for international people. You can see here, International Surveys Contest. If you are not from the US, it's very easy to do. Anyone can do it. You only have to ask a few questions. You have to answer those questions. When you answer all of these questions, the survey will be completed and points will be added to your account. And again, all of this is free. Now, I'm going to reveal to you exactly what I told you earlier, how you become able to make money without doing anything. If you go to this invite button right here, you will find Earn with Referrals. This is the tool for increasing your bank account level of cash by leveraging the efforts of others. And at the same time, you're helping those people to earn PayPal money themselves. So it's a win-win. Now you have to happily click on that button. When you click here, you will be taken to this page here. You can see they are saying tell your friends. family, and classmates about Prizeable and watch your points balance grow. If somebody clicks on that link and they sign up and start earning money, you will get 15% of their money. So if your referral makes $100, you're going to make $15 from that $100 that they earned. This is what most people don't know. You will see your referral stats, and you can see from where they are joining and how much money they are making. Now you can tell me how to make a referral. Don't worry, it's easy to do. Copy the link by clicking on the copy link button, then log into Facebook. You will find many make money online related groups. Join those groups and post to the group with your referral link. You can now tell me what to write in the post. Don't worry, I'm making it easy for you. You may say in the post, if you want to make easy money online, then sign up to this website. By posting to this group, your link will reach thousands and thousands of people. Can you imagine how many referrals you can get from there? Think about it. I think you can imagine. However, after posting in 5 groups like this, enter the website that I'm showing you right now. The name of this website is beermoneyforum.com. Countless people are sharing their referral links like Facebook. Now create a post from the post thread button. By doing this, you will get a lot of referrals, but wait. To post here, you must open an account here first. To open an account, simply click on the register button. After clicking here, you have to enter a username, an email, and a strong password. Give your location, verify the CAPTCHA, click on the terms and condition box, and click on the register button right here. After that, you can post here with your referral link. Now, I will show you a bonus website so that you can maximize your earning. But before we proceed, don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below what country you are in right now. Because in this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. Our bonus website is called rewardingways.com. They have over 10 years of experience in operating a legit survey site. You can earn money with this website by watching videos and taking part in paid trials, surveys, and offers. Doing those simple tasks will get points that you can exchange for real money. This is a legitimate survey site that allows you to earn extra money online in your spare time. Work from home, at work, in your lunch break, or from anywhere. As long as you have an internet connection, you can be earning. They offer access to thousands of survey opportunities every day, quick payments with an average payout time of 4 hours, and a low minimum rewards threshold, so you can cash out with PayPal anytime you earn over $1 on their survey platform. They are one of the quickest paying online survey sites, giving you access to the best online market research companies providing high-paying surveys. Your sign-up bonus is added automatically when you join free, and you could be requesting your first cash payout in 10 to 15 minutes. The average survey will take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete and pay anything between 50 cents and $5 per survey. Longer surveys may take up to 30 minutes but can offer higher rewards. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.